Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to buy hosting from Hostinger. So let's get started. Just open your browser and go to hostinger.com, or if you want a cheaper hosting, go to hostinger.com/in. That will take you to the India site and pick the plan. You have this plan here, single with one website and premium with 25 website and the business. I'll go ahead with the premium one because I want multiple sites, and this will be added to your cart. Here you can select the period. I'll go with 12 months. You can see it's showing as 2,628. I just got this random code online, so I'll put this HA10, and boom, I got some discounts here, like 10%. And then I'll click on continue. So the good thing about Hostinger, it will give you a lot of different types of payment options. So you enter the billing address, and I'll go ahead with PayPal. You can also pay with UPI if you're in India. So just authorize your PayPal. I'll log into my PayPal and just authorize this transaction. There you go. You can see my debit card, agree and pay. And looks like it's done. The payment is successful. So this will automatically redirect, or you can just click on get started, and our hosting is now purchased. Select who this website is for. It's for myself and my business. Do you want to create or migrate the website? I'll click on create a site because I don't have a site to migrate, and click on next button. This will ask you if you want, how do you want to build the website. I'll just select WordPress and click on next. And here you need to create a login details like the username and the password. So just enter the password or and also the WordPress admin email. Next off, you have something which is, if you want to build a website, this will install the theme, or you can just click on create blank site. That will give you a brand new site to build on. So click on create blank site, and here, best thing about 12 months hosting is that you get a free domain. I can claim this in the next 12 months. So it will ask you for a domain to connect this hosting with. You can either select the new domain or use the existing domain that you already have to connect this hosting. So I'll enter my website here. You can see when you try to enter a new domain, it says it's free for first year because you have bought a 12 months hosting plan. So we're not going to be looking into that now. I'll go ahead and enter the domain address that I already have so that I can start building that website using Hostinger. This is the one. I'll select and click on continue. Make sure to check the description and use my link to buy your hosting. That will give me a small commission to keep making the videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.